Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to log out your Snapchat account. And if this video helps you, please do consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. First, simply launch your Snapchat app and navigate to your profile, which is on the top left corner. And here we could see on the gear which is on the top right corner, that's a setting. Tap on it and it's my account, we could see, and we have to scroll all the way down, and in that says logout. You simply have to tap on that section to log out your Snapchat account, just like I did here. And it says, are you sure you want to log out? And if you log out, your credentials will be safe and you can change that setting from the login screen as well. So simply tap on the logout. And here we could see, guys, we just logged out of my Snapchat account, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming uploads.